Hi, I'm Brittany with WTI, and if you like to get things done and not make a mess while you're doing it, you gotta check this out.
This KUNN tool belt vest can fit anyone's needs. Everything is so well made, from the padded shoulder straps to the seams, the material, the buckles. The storage capacity is truly mind-blowing. And it has an adjustable belt, so it works well for my bigger framed husband, and also can be adjusted with the straps all around and the belt to fit my smaller frame. So it really could work for anyone of any size and any sex. And just look at the amazing capacity. You can put your drill, your pliers, your safety glasses, your hammer, your wrenches, bits, a tape measure, your backup battery to your drill so that you can keep on working. It has handles on the side, so if you're needing to move around, get up or down, you can actually lift it up. It was so helpful for when we were preparing a house to be sold, to have access to screwdrivers, your drill, if there was a stubborn bolt, your pliers, and then to quickly be able to grab the putty to prepare the wall for painting. And when you need to clean up your mess, you don't have to worry about moving your tools out of the way. Whether you're needing to vacuum or to have access to a rag to dust off and then to put it straight back into the tool belt, it was just extremely useful.
Whether we're doing a job or doing things around the house, it just made things so much easier. And that's my point of view.